This is so ridiculous. Get $4,163 in rewards for completing tasks, and I will walk you through how you can get this mega bonus. Make sure you watch this video till the very end. Stay tuned, and let's dive straight into today's content. But before we start, go and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss out any of my urgent informations, videos. Click also on the notification bell and leave a thumbs up and write me in the comments right now. Did you already use my link for Bitget to get this massive exclusive bonus with my link? Write me in the comments. Now let's start today. How can you get this bonus? You have just to do some tasks, and these tasks are ridiculous. So they are pretty easy. And now let's talk about how you can get this rewards. First one, you get a $3 bonus for KYC rewards. Do you need KYC? This is also a topic we want to talk about. Well, it depends. It's up to you. Do you like KYC? Do you not like KYC? Simply complete the KYC verification when you register and receive a $3 coupon right off the bat. So, well, it's $3, depends on you, if you like it or if you not like it. The next one is you will get $50 coupon for futures trading rewards. The biggest one is get $4,000 for your first deposit bonus. So make your first on-chain deposit on fiat deposit, transfer it into your USDT margin futures account, and make sure that no withdrawal or transfer is made in the account within 5 days. Do all this and you will receive a tiered rewards of up to $4,000. Pretty massive, but it depends on your first initial deposit. So the next one get a $60 and $50 coupon for spot trading rewards and copy trading. For this copy trading, we will do a separate video to talk especially just about copy trading. So in this video, let's talk about how you can get this reward. Just use my link in the description. This is an affiliate link. So use this one and you will get exclusively $4,163 in rewards. Also, you will find this link in the pinned comment. And now let's talk about a little bit more about Bitget. If you look here on CoinMarketCap and you search for exchanges, you can look for spot exchanges and derivatives. That is actually futures trading. So here you have the biggest ones. I filtered it for the biggest volume in the last 24 hours. Number one is, of course, Binance. The next one is OKX. We will talk about OKX in a separate video. And number 4 is already Bitget. So here you also see the maker and taker fees. We will talk about this later on. And of course, you see on every exchange, the traded volume is going down in the last 24 hours. So yesterday or the day before was pretty good. So pretty high traded volume. So yesterday in the last 24 hours, the traded volume goes down a little bit. Now, if you go back here to Bitget and we go to the main page, better trading, better life, that is what you actually see. Now you can sign up with my affiliate link in the description. Or if you already have a account, just click on login. After that, if you click here on sign up, you need to enter an email, set a password, confirm a password. After that, click on sign up and you will get a email with a confirmation code. You have to enter this code, and after that, you are signed up. Pretty easy. Takes you maybe 30 seconds up to 60 seconds. Depends on how fast you can type in your email and password. And after that, you are already logged in. What else? Then you can start with futures trading, spot trading, copy trading, buy crypto. But let's start here to give you a very quick overview with futures trading. Here you have 4 topics. The first one is USDT margin trade futures. So here you can trade with leverage USDT margin. So you need USDT, what is quite like equal to US dollars, just in the crypto world, to enter a trade, to open a position. Also, you can coin margin futures. So herefore you need Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, what else you have. So you put in Bitcoin in your trade and you get out Bitcoin out of your trade if the trade goes in the right direction for you. Here you put in USDT in your trade and you get out USDT if the trade goes in the right direction for you. What I also like very much here is you can open a demo account, a demo trading for both USDT margin or coin margin. So that is, especially for beginner traders, pretty nice, pretty good, just to get familiar with this cryptocurrency exchange, with the whole trading himself. So this is quite nice to open just a trading account. The next one is you can buy via spot. So spot means you just buy for your HODL portfolio. You don't need leverage. You just buy Bitcoin for this price right now, and maybe if you're a day trader, sell it at the end of the day, or buy it at the end of the day. If you just want to get these little changes from the day, they are ranging between 1 to 10% per day. I mean, it's crypto, so this is very easy. This is possible. If you, of course, want to expand this, then you can do this on futures with leverage. You also buy Bitcoin, for example, but you put in a leverage. If you're a beginner trader, don't over leverage. This is very important. Use a small leverage from maybe 2x, 5x, at max up to 10x. I mean, here you on Bitget you can use 125x, but this is so risky. So use a small leverage, and then if the market goes in the right direction, maybe 2, 3, 4%, and you have a leverage on this, maybe 10x, then with one trade, maybe you put in $100, the trade goes in the right direction, you close the trade after a 4% gain. This on leverage, this is easy, 40% X. But as always, this is no financial advice. Always do your own research. And what is very important, trading with leverage can be very risky. So this is your decision if you want to just trade via spot without leverage, or if you want to be very careful with leverage. So let's go on. Also, you can check the market. So here you see the cryptocurrency prices. What I really like, you find this also on the main page. The top gainers for the day, or the hot search, new listings, All this you will find here on the market. Also, you find this on the main page. If you want, you can buy here in Bitget crypto. So for this, you can do this with bank card. You can use a third-party payment. This is something you can also do. Now, copy trading. This is a topic for himself. We will talk about this later in a separate video. But copy trading is pretty nice and juicy if you choose your right copy traders. So guys, ladies, that is actually it for this short video about Bitget. So if you now hide, use my link in the description, in the pinned comment. Use this link and you can start futures trading, spot trading, and first, after your initial deposit, get up to $4,163 in rewards. So guys, ladies, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for watching. Now subscribe, leave a like on this video. And if you already watching this video right now, also write me in the comments. Do you like my new thumbnails or do you like the old ones more? I think the new ones are pretty cool. So write me in comments what you think about this. With that being said, this is no financial advice, you know it. Always do your research, and we see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Peace out. Bye bye.